Macavity, The Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot.
T.S. Eliot, his full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was born in St. Louis, Missouri in 1888. Graduated from Howard University. Just before WWI, he left US to live in London. Friend and contemporary of Ezra Pound. Pound called Eliot Possum. He died in 1965.
The poem Macavity, The Mystery Cat, is a light poem which has been composed by T.S. Eliot. In this poem, the poet describes about a mysterious cat whose name was Macavity. He is very clever. It is a tall and thin. It possesses such a power that a holy man has. The cat does so many crimes such as drinking milk, breaking glasses. It is so clever that never to be found at the scene of crime. It is not an ordinary cat. All of its actions are mysterious. The poet thinks that no other cat can be like Macavity.
Now we will go to the poem. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying Scots' despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Mystery, mysterious, rahasyapurna, hidden, secret, paw, animal's foot that has claw or nails, master, expert, criminal, apradhi, defy, disobey, bafflement, puzzle, and despair, it means disappointed. Now we will go to the meaning of that lines. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Macavity is a mysterious cat. His mystery has given him another name. Also, he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying Scot despair. He is an expert criminal who can disobey the law with impunity. His action puzzle the police of Scotland Yard. The flying Scot has in vain tried to chase him by the time they reach the scene of crime, but Macavity disappears. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. The law of gravity, गुरुत्वाकर्षण का सिद्धांत, levitation, floating in the air without support, stare, घूरना. There is no one like Macavity. He has broke all man-made laws. He has broken even the law of gravity. Fakirs have mysterious power. He is floating in the air without support would astonish even a fakir. Above all, when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is nowhere to be seen. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you, once and once again, Macavity is not there. Seek, look for, basement, space under the ground, look up, observe. You may try to find Macavity in the basement or in the air, but in vain. Thus, one who looks for him finds him nowhere, under or over the earth. Next, Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts His head is highly domed. Ginger, a plant with spicy hot root, adrak. Sunken, deep set. Then brow, forehead, lined, it is wrinkled and domed. Domed means fitted like a dome. Macavity's description it is given how she is looking it. Macavity is a ginger colored cat. He is tall and thin. If you meet him, you will easily recognize him because of his deep set eyes. Then Macavity's forehead is wrinkled. From that, he appears lost in the deep thinking all the time. His head sits high on his body like the domed on a building. It is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Whiskers, मूछे, neglect, disregard, dusty, full of dust, uncombed, uncombed means बिखरे हुए, sways, moves. His body is not well looked after, so the skin is dusty and the whiskers are uncombed. He moves his head from side to side like a snake. He is always alert. When you think he is dozing, he is wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for his finned in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime discovered, then Macavity is not there. Fiend, devil, feline, cat, monster, devil, depravity, naitik patan, by street, by line, square, chalk, and discovered, found out. Macavity is a special. There is no parallel to him. He is a devil in the body of a cat. He is morally corrupt like a monster. Ordinarily, you may find him anywhere on your way. He may be there in a by lane or in a square. However, when his crime is discovered and people look for him, he is nowhere to be found. Now, summary of this poem. With a master criminal whom the poet calls Macavity, the mystery cat. He is also called the hidden paw. The poet says that he defies law again and again, but he is never caught when the flying squad reaches the scene of a crime. Macavity is not there. He always leaves the Scotland Yard puzzle. In committing crimes, no one is like Macavity. He has broken almost every human law. He breaks the laws of nature too. He breaks the law of gravity. He has extraordinary power to float in the air without any support, but he is always beyond the reach of the police. Macavity is tall and thin. One can recognize him by his physical features. His eyes are sunken in and his head is highly domed. He sways his head from side to side like a snake. His coat is dusty and his whiskers are uncombed. Devil in the shape of a cat. He is morally corrupt. You may meet and see him everywhere. But whenever some crime of his is discovered, McAvity is not there.
Whatever word meaning you are finding on the blackboard, that you have to write in copy with picture. Devices of this poem. First, personification, giving human qualities to animal or objects. Poet used he for the cat instead of it. Repetition, the repeating of a particular sound device to create an effect. To create emphasis, a poet may repeat words or lines. McAvity, McAvity, there is no one like McAvity. So McAvity is used many times. Alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of the same or similar kind of sounds at the beginning of words. McAvity the mystery cat. McAvity, M sound is repeated here. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. S sound is repeated. A simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. So, like a snake, it is simile. Exaggeration, to describe as larger or greater than what is true. His power of levitation. Bafflement of Scotland Yard. A monster of depravity. Then your homework. Write word meanings in copy. Write definition of poetic devices with example. Write summary, pictorial summary in copy, and question answers we will give that link in description.